Hello viewers, on today's news. Dozens of people have been walking out of immigration detention in Australia after the High Court ruled indefinite detention was illegal, while the arbitrary detention of asylum seekers and refugees is a breach of international law. Successive Australian governments have continued to detain refugees arbitrarily since a 2004 decision found it legal under Australian domestic law. But that all changed on November 8th, when the High Court ruled the practice was unlawful. Following the decision, 80 people, refugees as well as people held by immigration for other reasons, were released immediately into the community, with at least 92 more eligible for release. Experts say 300 more cases could also be affected by the decision. This is a hugely significant decision, which will have life-changing consequences for people who have been detained for years, without knowing when, or even if, they will ever be released. Josephine Langbein, a senior lawyer at the Human Rights Law Center, told sources, "People who have lost years of their lives may finally have a chance at regaining their freedom and returning to their families and communities." While Australia provisionally accepts 13,500 people each year for resettlement through the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees program, those arriving by other means, such as by boat, from Indonesia, are detained in prison-like facilities. Since 2013, Australia has implemented Operation Sovereign Borders, which the government describes as a military-led border security operation. Detention in harsh offshore processing centers is another arm of this policy, which the Australian government says is necessary to assess refugee status and possibly grant a temporary visa. However, Human Rights Watch, Amnesty International, and other human rights organizations have long argued the policy contravenes international law, including the UN Refugee Convention, which forbids arbitrary detention of refugees and stipulates that seeking asylum is not illegal. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel.